Plant FAQs, Heuchera caramel. Heuchera caramel, a burst of warmth for your shady spots. As a gardener, I'm always on the lookout for plants that add a pop of color and texture to my shady areas. That's where Heuchera caramel comes in. This stunning coral bells cultivar isn't your average shade dweller. Its unique foliage boasts a warm apricot amber hue, bringing a touch of sunshine to even the darkest corners of my garden. For those unfamiliar with Heuchera, also known as coral bells, they're a fantastic group of perennials prized for their vibrant foliage and delicate flowers. Heuchera caramel is a standout variety, offering not just captivating leaves, but also easy care and versatility. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into this delightful plant and explore how to incorporate its charm into your garden. What is Heuchera caramel? Heuchera caramel is a vigorous, clump-forming perennial that boasts a unique color palette. Its fuzzy, lobed leaves emerge a stunning gray-red in spring, transforming into a mesmerizing apricot caramel by summer. The undersides further enhance its appeal with a touch of burgundy red. This play of colors adds depth and dimension to any shady space. Standing roughly 18 inches tall at maturity, Heuchera caramel produces delicate, creamy pink flowers in early summer. These bell-shaped blooms rise gracefully on slender stems above the foliage mound, adding a touch of elegance to the overall look. But what truly sets Heuchera caramel apart is its adaptability. Unlike many Heucheras, it tolerates hot and humid summers better, making it a great choice for gardeners in warmer climates. Plus, its easygoing nature makes it perfect for both seasoned and novice gardeners. Planting Heuchera caramel is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Location: while it tolerates some full sun, Heuchera caramel thrives in part shade, particularly with afternoon shade protection. This allows its vibrant foliage to retain its best color. Soil: opt for well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter. Amending your existing soil with compost or aged manure will provide optimal growing conditions. Planting: dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Gently loosen the roots and place the plant in the hole, ensuring the crown sits at soil level. Backfill the hole, water thoroughly, and apply a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. How to care for Heuchera caramel. Heuchera caramel is a low-maintenance plant, but a few basic practices will ensure it thrives. Watering: water regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Fertilizing: a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can encourage healthy growth. However, Heuchera caramel is generally not a heavy feeder. Dividing: to maintain its compact form and encourage new growth, you can divide Heuchera caramel every 3 to 4 years in spring or fall. What to plant with Heuchera caramel? Heuchera caramel's versatility makes it a fantastic addition to various garden settings. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Hostas: their bold green foliage creates a beautiful contrast with Heuchera caramel's warm tones. Ferns: the delicate texture of ferns complements Heuchera caramel's fuzzy leaves. Astilbes: their feathery plumes add a touch of airiness and contrast in color. Spring bulbs: early bloomers like tulips or daffodils provide a burst of color before Heuchera caramel takes center stage. Conclusion: a touch of warmth in the shade. Heuchera caramel is a true gem for shady gardens. Its captivating foliage, easy care, and adaptability make it a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of warmth and vibrancy to their space. So, if you're searching for a low-maintenance plant that packs a punch, consider giving Heuchera caramel a try. You won't be disappointed.